Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Settings, go straight to Device Settings without detours. Once in Settings, tap Special Features or Additional Settings depending on your MIUI build. Make sure your system is up to date so Game Turbo options appear. If your battery is low, charge briefly because some menus hide features on extreme power saving. Once you see Special Features, you're ready to access Game Turbo. Don't launch the game yet. Complete the configuration first so settings apply correctly. You now tap Game Turbo or Game Speed Booster. This is where performance rules live. Add the specific game to the list by selecting Add Apps, then choose your game. This tells the phone to prioritize it. Next, configure modes. Set CPU and frame rate boosts if available, enable network acceleration for lower latency, and toggle Do Not Disturb to silence alerts. Make sure to save or apply changes. Adjusting these options here improves smoothness and reduces interruptions when you launch the game. You should now launch the game directly from the Game Turbo list, so settings take effect immediately. Once the game starts, use the floating toolbar or overlay to toggle features like Performance Mode, block notifications, and start screen recording. If you notice lag or settings not applying, make sure the app is up to date and then reboot the phone. If problems persist, clear Game Turbo cache or remove and re-add the game. This reset often fixes persistent conflicts and restores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.